think I just found another gem, and it's the first ever AI agent built specifically for front-end development. Allow me to introduce Kombi. Kombi is an AI agent purpose-built for front-end tasks. This isn't just some general-purpose coding agent. It's a powerful specialized tool that integrates directly into your IDE, including VSCode, Cursor, and many others. Kombi lets you generate, run, and save high-quality front-end code from Figma designs, image inputs, or even plain text, and it's designed to help you write code faster and more efficiently. You can focus on what really matters, building great user experiences. And here's what's wild. It actually outperforms better than general AI tools on front-end tasks. On benchmarks, Kombi consistently beats tools like GitHub Copilot, Claude, and even Gemini when it comes to complex real-world front-end projects. It supports 25 to 30 front-end libraries, so you can choose your own stack. It also uses multiple specialized agents behind the scenes. If something breaks down during code generation, Kombi will automatically fix linting, runtime errors, and with no manual debugging needed. Just take a look at this example where it had created this course website page with all the components generated. You can see that it was able to do a great job in creating animations, placeholders, as well as creating a functional front end for this course website. Not just that, this is a modern team setting page that was fully generated. This dashboard was fully configured with a plan, made sure that it focused on all the sections, features, and it was able to also provide the SVG code as well as the representation of each component. And this is something that will be showcasing how you can do because it's simply just an extension that you can access and typing in natural language prompts to build almost anything. Essentially, with Kombi, it turns Figma images and text input into high quality, scalable front end code that fits directly into your repo. It supports multiple designs for context and understands your tech stack and auto fixes linting, TypeScript, and runtime errors. Now, to get started, it's really simple. Go ahead and click on install Kombi with the link in the description below, and you can simply add it to whatever ID you have. In this case, I'm going to be adding it to VS Code. So simply click on install and then you can open it up within Visual Studio Code. Now, all you got to do is just simply click on the install button. And once it has finished installing, you can access it on the left-hand panel. Now, this is where you're going to be first prompted to create an account or sign in if you have one. This is your workspace. In natural language, with a text description, you can have Kombi focus on that prompt and build out any beautiful front end for you. You have two different agents. You have the Ask agent where you can just use its Q&A capabilities to provide answers, or you can use the code agent to autonomously generate anything. You can actually manage and configure your tech stack. So if there's certain components you want to change, like something like the framework itself, you can change this component and click save. In the same manner, you can change things like the components, styling based off of your own preference. A couple of quick settings that you can manage, as well as having the ability to attach images. And then you can even attach a Figma frame. So you can provide the URL of the Figma frame that you want the Kombi agent to use, confirm it, and then you can start working with this. But then you can just simply send in the prompt, and then the Kombi agent will deploy the planner agents as well as the development agents to work on that design. So, for example, say if I want to create a multi step model app, this is where we're providing this Figma design and we wanted to generate the code for this model. So, when the user clicks save and next, it moves on to the next section of the model. When users click save and next, it will open up the last section of the model. So, let's go ahead and send in this prompt and see what the Kombi agent is capable of doing. Right off the bat, it is going to first use our tech stack that we had told it to use, and then it's going to then use the context of the three items that we had provided. So in this case, it is the Figma AI agent use case design that we have provided. Another one is this one, and then the third one is this image. Now it is looking like it is focusing on the planning phase, where it is focusing on where it's going to need to edit certain components. So the customer overview model, the customer address model, and the customer notes model. Then it's going to talk about all the features, the editable plan files that you can actually view in real time. And then afterwards, it's going to start generating the code for our front end. And then afterwards, once you approve on the plan, like taking a look at the schema as well as the endpoints and then the features, you can then go ahead and approve the plan and start coding. But say if you want to edit a certain file, you can definitely do so by clicking on this and then changing a component. But we're good to go with the plan that it has created. And now it's going to work on generating the code. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis. So this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. And looks like it has now fully generated the code. We can now run it in a sandbox. So you don't even need to open it yourself. It's going to go ahead and start running it off of our local host. And you can see that it has added a good curated list of all the generated files that it has worked upon, as well as the key features it has implemented. So now we can go ahead and open it up with our local host. And there we go. This is the UI component that it was able to generate. This is based off of the Figma design that we had provided. And you can see that it has done a great job with all the components that we had requested it to generate. It looks like it has thoroughly generated this high quality front end, and we can see that there's functional drop down menus and components. You can see that all three of the pages that we had requested for have been generated. And then there's also the notes tab, which it was able to accurately replicate. So you can see how fast it was in terms of generating this. And you can see that it did a great job in focusing on all the components that we had requested. And once you want to access all these files, you can do so by closing the server and then opening up the folder that it had generated all the components within. And this way, if you want, you can configure all of these components on your own to best fit your own preference. So let's try something more practical with just plain text. This is where we're going to have it build a multi-page finance tracking web app, which is where it's going to have a beautiful landing page with modern, clean designs showcasing the app features, a dummy sign up page to create the authentication system, the front end of it, and then the dashboard page after sign up, including the sidebar navigation, headers with current balance, a bunch of graphs, and all of the components that you would want to have a finance tracker app to have. So essentially, now what we can do is just simply send in this prompt, and then afterwards, we can configure the tech stack best fit for our own preference. And in this case, once you approve this, you can click on proceed. And now let's go ahead and have it generate our front end for this multi-page finance tracking web app. This time around, we have a style guide which talks about the accents, typography, the appearance, animation. And once we have approved this plan that it has, we can then click on approve and have it start coding. So it looks like it has now finished generating all the components from the dashboard, landing page, the app finance tracker itself. And then now what we can do is simply click on save for changing and editing all the components. We can then save it to wherever we want. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once that is done, we can go back into the main panel. And this is where you can easily then click on this button to run in a sandbox. So this is our finance tracker app, which is the front end for our app. And you can see it replicates an AI SaaS landing page based off of what sort of requirement we gave it. Now let's go over to the authentication. And there we go. Next up, we have the auth. And this is a pretty nice looking auth. There's one slight error where it hasn't showcased the white overlay over this button. But aside from that, it did a great job in creating the animations for this OAuth page where we can simply provide our field names as well as continuing with Google or with Facebook. Afterwards, you're going to be then sent over to this beautiful dashboard, which absolutely looks amazing. This is a really nice looking front end for the dashboard, and you can see all the components were fully generated with the animations as well as all these different placeholders. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it for today's video on Kombi. This is a groundbreaking AI agent that's specifically built for front-end design. I am definitely recommending you try this out because you can easily convert designs and text into clean production ready code while intelligently fixing errors and adapting to your tech stack. It empowers you to build scalable and high quality interfaces as well as UIs faster and easier than ever before. So, with that thought, I'll leave these links in the description below so that you can easily get started. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the second channel, join our newsletter, join our Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.